Is this the best dashcam for India?
This is the Qubo Dashcam Pro 3K, which is made in India and backed by the Hero Group. This dashcam is going to be on sale with some incredible discounts during the Amazon's Prime Day sale, which starts on the 12th of July. So if you're in the market for a top quality dashcam, you know where to go.
So what do you get in the box? First and foremost is the front dash cam. This is a 5 megapixel 3K recording ultra wide lens with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor. It can basically capture the whole road in front of you. And at the rear, this is a 3.2 inch IPS LCD screen on which you can do basically front and rear camera viewing. Second off, you have the rear camera. This is a 2 megapixel 1080p recording wide lens, and this is also pretty useful. You also get a couple of different wires in the package. This is a micro USB to micro USB wire, and then you have a USB to Type C, and Qubo was generous enough to throw in a pry tool for the installation process. Inside the box, you have a couple of more things. So if you open up this little flap over here, you have some manuals and everything, and this is the important stuff. These two little transparent sheets have your installation process written on them, and you can basically put them up onto the windscreen and basically angle and position your camera in the right way so that you have a perfect fitment. So I think so we shouldn't waste more time, and let's go and install the Qubo cameras onto the VRS. Now we know that most of you guys don't have access to a garage or a person who can do all of this kind of stuff 24/7. In case you have to install a Qubo dashcam and you don't know how to do it, you can easily just get in touch with Qubo and they will send over a technician to install the Qubo dashcam on your car at your doorstep. So that is a pretty cool benefit of buying a Qubo dashcam. So the Qubo dashcam has now been fitted both front and rear. Fairly easy process. I mean, if you know how to work on cars, it's not that difficult to figure out as to how to install this camera. But I mean, like I said, if you need any sort of assistance, you can just call the Qubo technician and he'll come down, install the camera for you. No hassle at all. Now, in order for us to access the camera, Qubo has also come out with an app called Qubo Pro, which we have installed on the iPhone that we have, and on this basically you can access your dash cam, you can access whatever you want, front camera, rear camera, you can cut out a certain section of the clip that you're working on or that you want. So yeah, a whole bunch of features in this app. The only thing is we've not actually driven the car with the Qubo dashcam now. So how about we take the VRS out for a quick little spin and see how the dashcam performs. So the Qubo dashcam is finally fitted in our Stage 3 VRS 245, and I have to say it has instantly given me a sense of security which was previously not there. A dashcam nowadays in India has become more or less like a necessity because of bad road sense, bad roads in general, and just, you know, unexpected things that can happen on Indian roads, like for example a cow coming in the middle of the road. You know, a dash cam is necessary nowadays, not only for stuff like capturing accidents or, you know, an insurance claim, but just for your general safety as well. And the Qubo dashcam is something that is a very interesting product because it's a whole lot of value for not a lot of money. It's at a very reasonable price because it basically gives you all of the features that you would want from a more expensive imported dashcam in something that is very reasonably priced. Qubo is a product that is made in India for Indians, and that is one of the other reasons why you should be buying a Qubo Dashcam, because, well, we all love Indian made products, and honestly it is an amazing product. The accessibility and the connectivity that Qubo has through its Qubo Pro app is honestly very easy to use. Downloading clips and taking clips from a certain timestamp also is fairly simple. Moreover, the quality of the Qubo Dashcam is honestly very nice. I mean, this is the type of stuff that a GoPro would probably give you. Instead, it's your Dashcam. That's how good the quality of the Qubo Dashcam is. The Qubo Dashcam is also pretty smart. If you, let's say, get into an accident, it can immediately detect that there has been a sudden movement or a sudden jolt, and it immediately captures that particular moment for you. Basically, it's like a collision warning thing, and it does it automatically, which is pretty cool. The other thing is that it rewrites your old footage from time to time, so you don't have to keep on clearing your SD cards and everything. So it's just a completely automatic process. And yeah, it's a very easy to use, no nonsense dashcam, whereas other dashcams, they're very fidgety. You have to remove the micro SD, put it in your laptop, clear it. You know, if you want to take out a certain clip, put it in your laptop, find it, put it on a video editor. Too much hassle. Qubo, pretty straightforward. If you want to take out a certain clip, just go onto the Qubo Pro app, and if you want to delete videos, you don't have to do it, it'll just rewrite them for you. A big thumbs up. Most dashcams also suffer from one major thing: dealing with darkness. You don't want your footage to be grainy or blurred out or just not clear, because, well, that won't help you in any sort of way. That is why Qubo has given a Sony Starvis 2 sensor with HDR with this dashcam, and that basically means even at night the footage that you will get from this thing is going to be crystal clear. So, you know, even when you're driving at night, you don't have to worry about stuff like, has the dashcam captured the accident, or can the dashcam even capture stuff at night? Not a problem at all. The front camera is 3K, the rear camera is 1080p, so you have basically crystal clear footage all of the time. That is one of the major reasons as to why you should choose the Qubo, because it's basically giving top tier features in this dashcam which other more expensive imported dashcams don't give you. So I think the verdict is pretty clear. If you want to buy your next dashcam, this Qubo Dashcam has to be one of the best value for money propositions out there. It's basically giving you top tier features in an affordable price tag. And that is only possible because, well, it's an Indian made product, and Qubo knows exactly how to cater to Indians. And that is why for my next car as well, I'm going to be using a Qubo Dashcam. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and comment down below what you think of the Qubo Dashcam.